how do you receive money from Cash App? Now, first, this totally depends upon what you mean when you're talking about receiving money, because you could be talking that you want to receive money from someone else and how you receive it in your account. Now, for that, you simply have to give them your cash tag. So on Cash App, you can identify someone by the QR code or by using the cash tag. So they can come to the pay option and simply enter your cash tag. You can find your cash tag by tapping on the profile icon from the top right and going to edit profile, and there you'll be able to see your cash tag. And another case scenario is if you're talking about receiving money from Cash App to your bank account. So let's say you have got some kind of money. You can see on the home icon, you'll be able to see some kind of money there, and if you want to receive this money, for that you have to just tap on the cash out button that you can see there. And when you tap on cash out, you can enter the amount that you wish to cash out. You can enter your bank account details. You can choose a standard method, which is free of cost but will take some time, or you can choose an instant method and you just hit the cash out button to receive money from Cash App. So this way you should be able to receive money from Cash App. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.